Jalil Najafov, a shark conservationist, filmmaker, and photographer, was amazed during a great white shark expedition in Mexico when he spotted a 15-foot shark with an enormous circular scar from a bite mark. Najafov participated in a 5-day expedition to Isla Guadalupe, Mexico, as a guest on the Pacific Fleet boat. Guadalupe Island, located 130 nautical miles west of Mexico's Baja California Peninsula, is renowned for its scuba diving and encounters with great white sharks. On the second day of the trip, Najafov met and filmed Seabach, a 15-foot shark with an enormous circular scar from a bite mark. After spotting the scar, Najafov conducted a dive underwater in a cage to get a better photo of the mark with his GoPro HERO7. The scar on the passing shark sparked a heated discussion among the team. The shark photographer used multiple cameras and ended up losing track of the memory card with the bite mark photos on it. When he finally found the card on July 17, 2021, he posted to it Discover Sharks and his Instagram to ask his followers their thoughts: was the unusual wound caused by mating, aggression, or something else? The photo, in which he named the shark survivor, was very well received and was the most liked photo on his Instagram page. On December 13, 2021, the diver published other female shark photos with mating bite marks. On rare occasions, during mating season among sharks, mating scars appear on female sharks' bodies due to male sharks biting to hold onto them. The video of mating scars on sharks went viral, and Najafov started receiving media inquiries for more information on the subject. He decided to post the real bite marks again on his page, asking his friend, scientist Dr. Tristan Guttridge's, VP, Director Marine Nonprofit Saving the Blue and Discovery Channel's Shark Week presenter, opinion, and Michael Domeyer, another friend and Shark Week presenter, who is President, Executive Director of the Marine Conservation Science Institute, also felt it was an attack from another shark. Sharks frequently change their habitats but are not territorial by nature. There is evidence that great white sharks assume dominance hierarchies around feeding territories, and the largest sharks usually get the best hunting spots. Great white sharks live in harsh conditions, and therefore the showing of aggression is quite normal for the species. They often fight for prey during the mating season and to protect themselves from larger species. Najafov believes that the scar could have remained from the shark's juvenile period, given the speed of wound regeneration in sharks. He has seen photos of injured sharks before and after injury from other photographers. Another theory from the comments is that the scar is from a killer whale bite mark, but the shape of the orca's jaws and teeth is different. He thinks this shark's scar is about a year old, and it was the result of a bite from another great white shark. Najafov grew up in Azerbaijan, a country located at the boundary of Eastern Europe and Western Asia. He has always had a passion for sharks and the ocean, which led him to leave the government job that he had worked for several years. He soon found himself traveling and 6 years ago decided to dedicate his life to filming and photographing sharks in their natural habitat. Today, he often stays in the United States, but his hometown is still in Azerbaijan. As a conservationist, Najafov believes that raising awareness about the plight of sharks is crucial and is making a concerted effort to draw attention to the cause through his videos and photographs. He stresses that sharks are not the ferocious, human-devouring creatures often portrayed in movies. The likelihood of being attacked by a shark is quite low, but it can vary depending on the species one is swimming with. He advises divers to always remember that they are in the presence of wild animals and to take a moment to look around, observe the sharks in their natural habitat, and take great photos and videos instead of constantly focusing on the camera viewfinder. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more interesting videos, like and share this video. Have a nice day.